Good morning, good morning. I have made it to dialysis. It's about 5:10 a.m. in the morning. I have me some cinnamon rolls I showed you early, but I'm eating me some, and that little green piece right there is some collard greens I cooked this morning. I gotta go back and do the cornbread, and I'm doing some shrimps. I guess shrimp etouffee, I guess you would say. But I'm putting sausages and all the other kind of stuff in it too. I got enough stuff to make gumbo too, but I don't know. Anyway, happy Monday. Oh, and you can see I got this something to drink too. So let me get my groove on and eat before I can get in here. Have a blessed day. Comment, share, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. You know what to do. All right. Goodbye.